That's kind of cool. They got some music, some Chinese live music in here. I guess those are the musicians right there. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. And I guess they have different musicians that come here different days. And we're kind of in front of Pagode, right there. And Pension Sidaji, which is also a city inn. And this kind of east-west hotel right there that has a lot of historic value to it. And yeah, let's see where we go from there. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So yeah, you can hear them in there. So before we go down, we're going to go down Zhuhai Pagode. Here's a city inn. It's a hotel right there, and it's right next to this east-west hotel, which is equally interesting. Another sign for them. It's interesting. You must have that all the time. Look like these the same people? I don't know. Not sure. Maybe no. I don't know. So anyways, here's the East Asia Hotel. So this has a lot of historic value because this has been here for a long time, and I think I've heard people talk about it before. There's a lot of different alleys in here too. There's Plot 16 right straight ahead, and then this one is Zhuhai Madeira. That's Grand Lisboa down that way. Yeah, there's east-west. I have filmed Zhuhai Madeira before, so I think what I'll do is we'll just go down the Pagode one, and this will be a little bit of that woman right almost right on my side. She was like way over on this side, but here probably should have been over a little bit, but probably hard to push a baby too, so I'm not going to criticize that. That's the beginning. Oh, cool. Huh. It's really interesting. So this is going to be our focus, Zhuhai Pagode. So we're trying to go down that street. There's also a... Oh, that's just only fishing reels. How well you can see that with the reflection, I don't think you can see it very well. But also right here we also have a Buddhist temple. I heard it's a Taoist temple. But that's right here. So I'm going to guess that our road maybe kind of runs parallel to it. Oh, you can see some of the detail up at the top right there, so I think we'll look for that when we go down the alley. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, so that's really nice. So let's go down that alley. There's a nice little park in front of the alley. This street is also like there's a market in the I think weekends, maybe every evening, maybe. I usually don't come down here on weekdays to see, but okay, now we're gonna finally go down our alley, which is this one. We'll see what Zhuhai Pagode is all about. It's kind of interesting, right? There's a pagoda there. I can hear the Chinese music again. I thought maybe we could see a wall of the pagoda, but we cannot, so it must be inland a little bit, inward a little bit. Okay, that's kind of cool. So we got like a mechanic shop, plans. Okay, that's a giant rooftop right there. It's cool. You got them all the way up to the top here. You go all the way down this street here. It's cool. Okay, so now we're on the corner of Travessa de Pagode, which is this one and that one, and then that's our Rua de Pagode. This is also Rua de Pagode, so we're kind of at a crossroads. Let's just take a look real quick. I kind of think that yeah, I think that one, I don't know if you can see it, but that's the temple right there. So the temple is this, in that space. Like over on the other side of this, there's an abandoned, looks like a wall that came down. Okay, let's just go right around here, go around the corner. Okay. Salon. All right, so you got all these little alleys in here everywhere. Engineers working on stuff. Other little alleys like that. This sign looks really old. I saw this one guy who created a lot of the signs. It looks like his artwork. But he created a lot of the signs in Macau, traditionally. Still alive. Maybe 70 or 80. So sometimes a lot of these are his artwork. Cool looking place. Look at this little alley. Looks kind of cool too. Let's step in here for a second. There's always kind of cool stuff in these little alleys like this. Look at those buildings. Yeah, somebody probably lives right there and they put all their stuff right there too, right? Same with that. Rooftop way up there. It's cool. Okay, we're gonna come out to the end of this street in a second, and that would be Rua de Pagode construction. Okay, almost to the end of it here. There's another there's a bathroom right here in the alley. There's WC. Okay, Rua de Pagode. So there we go. That was our street right there.